to the first episode of Friday Time Capsule Vlogs. This is when my family and I went to Great Wolf Lodge. It was so much fun. I hope y'all enjoy the footage. I might be talking throughout the vlog, but for the most part, it's just going to be music and the original audio. So yeah, enjoy.
Repeating pain is all the same. I hate this place, stuck in this paradigm. Don't believe in paradise. This must be when hell is like this. Got to be more, sick of this head of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. Nirvana's not, it's advertised. This got to be more, been here before.
Laser tag.
Second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch.
Oh, he's about to shoot me, I know.
Put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them lights down right now. I'm talking about
I really want to show fragrance. I gotta say shit. And I know you'll taste this a little bit. Taste this. Everybody was basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in the dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. You're in the mood for empathy. Really want to live. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie. Sorry, they say conversation.
Alrighty, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment below if you like this type of video, and like and subscribe. Until the next one, bye.